75% off. This has to be the best day of my life. I thought excitedly, seeing an advertisement outside the shopping mall. My favorite time of the year was here, the sale time. It is my favorite time because all the shopping malls, retail outlets give huge discounts. And the word S-A-L-E, sale, brings so much happiness for a shopaholic like me. Yes, I am addicted to shopping to that extent that I even shop in my dreams. I love shopping. Whenever I pass by the shops, I feel as if they are calling me inside. They just want me to come near them, go inside and buy stuff. I just cannot control myself, especially during the sale time. I just lose all my self-control and end up buying lots and lots of stuff. So this is how I am as a shopaholic. During the sale time, we see lots and lots of posters, hoardings, advertisements, banners to attract people in it. And being a good Jew, I am naturally attracted to go in and shop inside. When I go inside the store, I found huge piles of clothes lying around, mannequin wearing beautiful dresses, and there are shoes, accessories, everything lying around. So as soon as I enter the store, I go on scanning each and every corner of the store, racing around to pick my favorite item before anyone comes and picks it. I go to the trial room and try as many clothes as possible. I am in a state of confusion. What should I buy? What should I not buy? It's a very complicated time for me, trust me on that. The other difficult time that I face is when I go on the billing counter. It's a very awkward moment when I want to buy all the things that I have, but I'm not even willing to pay. When I open my wallet, I find I don't have enough cash to pay. But I also have my credit card. As instructed by my dad, it is only to be used in emergency situations. Then I think, this is no less than an emergency for me when I'm out of cash and I need to buy it. So in the end, I have a huge bill and full of shopping bags, my hands full of shopping bags. At the end of my shopping spree, I am happy. But when I go back home, my parents, they shouted me. They scold me for spending so much time, money and energy on shopping. And that is the only thing that I do. Lately, I have realized that I shop a little too much. Yes, finally the realization has come to me. I know it's a little too late, but it has come. It has come now as I'm all broke. I don't have money to even travel to the mall. And I can't ask my parents to give me more money because they know I will end up spending all of it in just a matter of few hours. So I thought, what has to be done? I think I have to get rid of my addiction of shopping. I have to improve myself. So thinking of it as an MBA student, I have realized that sale is nothing but a marketing gimmick by the shopkeepers. They just do it to attract shopaholics like me to come and buy it, to come to their store. Sale increases footfalls to their store so that more and more people come in. They put advertisements, posters, banners, hoardings, word of mouth publicity is there all around when the sale comes. When you enter looking at that, when you enter the store, you find all the items and products arranged so attractively that you are just drawn towards them. When you check it, you like it, and when you like it, you check the price tag, which is according to you a good deal as it is way below the MRP. Being attempted to buy it as you are getting a discount, you fall in the trap. Yes, it is just a trap by the shopkeepers. They just want to increase the footfall in the stores, and sale is mainly for stock clearance. They just try to clear all this as much as stock as possible, especially for fashion goods, because once they are out of fashion, nobody will come and buy it. We think we are getting a good deal, but we don't think that if shopkeepers are not getting huge margins, they would not have sold to us. I have learned a lesson after this, that I will try to get rid of my addiction. I won't buy things unnecessary, unwanted things. For me, shopping is not just going and buying things that I like. For me, it is a way of making myself happy. It gives me happiness. I guess whosoever said that money can't buy happiness didn't know where to go shopping. It gives immense pleasure for a shopaholic like me. So I think I will continue to shop, but not till I drop.